Welcome back to our third episode of moving into our new condo here in Bangkok, Thailand. Just to fill you in the last two episodes, we moved out of our dream condo that we were paying around $1,600 a month for. And we moved into this older style, 180 square meter, 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment here in Phuket, which is 35,000 Thai baht, walking distance to the malls, park, and virtually everything. Now, I'm gonna be honest, when we first saw this place, it didn't look so good. We were not super impressed. It looked quite old, but ever since the first day I saw it, I saw that there was so much potential. So in this episode, we're gonna be making it really feel homey and cozy. So stay tuned for this episode as we have a lot of work to do.
Good morning, it is day 2. Now we are pretty much done with the living room. It's looking really cozy. I don't know how I feel about these couches, but for now it'll do. But yeah, as you can see, it is pretty complete. That carpet there has really made a huge difference. Now the next thing to work on is this huge cabinet situation right here. It just looks very old. What I'm thinking to do is to remove all of these glass cabinets and make it like an open cabinet kind of shelving situation. So I don't know how this is going to turn out, but there's only one way to find out. So let's go and get these doors off. Okay, we got the first door off. In my opinion, that is looking a ton better. All right, let me just turn these lights on. What do you guys think? I think it looks a lot better. All right, good morning, guys. It is day 4. Donna just came back from Phuket.
Yay.
We're gonna start working on the balcony.
Yes. Let's go. Popo will help us.
Yeah. So as of right now, this is what it looks like. It looks not too bad, to be honest, but we're gonna put some flooring on the ground. So we're definitely gonna need a lot more.
She like it. She might.
All right, so this is what we're working with so far. As you can see, I did not buy enough. All right, we're just at the IKEA right now, just gonna see what we can find. Just non-stop improving the house. Actually, we don't really have an agenda right now. Just gonna do some eye shopping, see what there is. What do you think about our condos so far?
First thing I think is too old.
Yeah, first thought,
and
yeah.
I don't really like the wood style.
Yeah, me too,
One.
at first.
Like, yeah, I just worry about God.
Yeah, seriously, yeah.
Home alone, you're not here, and then I hear something weird.
Yeah.
Kind of crazy. But actually, when you organize everything, it's so homey.
Yeah.
So you just have to change the light, something like that.
Exactly.
For all condo, it's not too bad.
Yeah, I think so too. Like when we first walked in our condo, we were like, no, we don't want it too old.
He's looking the old style condo, like a content. Like something like that, and make feel confident, right? About make it look better.
Exactly, yeah. Yeah, it's like a
fun
project,
to,
like
to do that, do this.
Yeah.
Make it look better.
Just keep working on it, yeah.
I didn't do it a lot.
You just come for like one night. Yeah, I feel like we're almost done. We just have to get a little bit more. I feel like we should get a couch. You want to get the green one?
No. So cute.
It's matching with our wood too. Oh wait, which one?
This one.
You mean the blue, right?
It's green. It's
the
mint.
blue.
Mint.
Or yeah, mint. A little bit mint.
Mint is green or blue?
Blue.
Green.
This is blue.
Green.
This is only 1,550. That's pretty good.
This one is 9,000. 9,100.
It's very big.
Not too big.
This one is 790.
It's too small.
It's too small. These are some room darkening shades. These are 790 baht, around 20 bucks. Yeah, I think we're gonna get 2 of these right here. And then we need some sheer curtains. So this one is 499 baht. Pretty good. I think I'll probably need 2 of these, but I'll get one for now. This was not a good idea. Oh my gosh, this is only our 4th day here. That is actually huge. Now, just right quick, if you travel often or live abroad, you already know how stressful it is to land somewhere new and have zero data. Being able to connect instantly the moment you touch down changes everything. Not having to deal with SIM card lines or surprise roaming fees is such a peace of mind. That's why I partnered with Saily eSIM, the new eSIM data app from the creators of NordVPN, so you already know it's going to be secure and reliable. And what's unique about Saily is that it has built-in web protection and an ad blocker that keeps you safe online, and it even saves up to 28% of your data while browsing online. And these features are basically unheard of in any other eSIM app. With Saily, you can connect in over 200 destinations without ever needing to swap SIM cards or reinstall anything every time you land somewhere new. And getting started is super easy. All you have to do is just download the app, pick your destination, choose the data pack you want, and enter the code IPOLY for 15% off. And that is it. Once you arrive, you're automatically connected and you don't need to set up anything. So if you're planning a trip soon, make sure to download the Saily app and use my code IPOLY for an exclusive 15% off your data plan. You can check out the details and the link in the description.
Here we go. Let's do it.
Let's do it. All right, guys, this is what it looks like so far. But yeah, this is definitely going to be a work in progress. What do you think?
So good.
Yeah. What do you think, Popo?
It's so good.
We got the maid over here cleaning the kitchen as well, doing a really big, deep clean of every single room. Today is officially 8 days since we've been here. A lot has changed. So this is going to be a huge change. We just got this 65-inch TV. This was around 9,000 baht, which I thought was a steal. So
So big.
yeah, it's huge. So we're going to try to like fit it in this very tight space. Let's see.
Well, this can fit.
Yeah. Okay. All right, I think this is working. Oh man, I'm not too sure. It's not strong. Wow, the TV is way too big. Oh my gosh. What are we gonna do? And it's too high too. So yeah, I like the size of this TV, but it doesn't fit. So I think we're gonna have to get a table. Not sure what the solution is yet. All right, guys, take a look at the finished result. Now, we are pretty much 100% done with this entire setup. As you can see right now, we don't have a TV stand, but we just use these kind of cabinets as a temporary solution. So let me just show you how we've decided to decorate this area. So we have our fragrance area. I'm telling you, I've spent a ridiculous amount of money on these fragrances. Yeah. So if you guys are enthusiasts like me, let me know in the comments, what are your favorite fragrances. As you can see, we have Tonal's fragrances right here. And then, yeah, we've just kind of really decorated it, made it feel kind of personal to us. And yeah, this was like a lot of thought went into this. And then over here, we have our marble chess sets. Now, this is insane. I got this for $60 on Facebook Marketplace. This is 100% marbles. And then this is the finished results of the blinds. This nice pleated linen white curtains right here. I think it just makes the place look a lot more classic. As you can see, we got rid of the 2 couches and just really opened up the space. So far, we are really happy with the finished results. The vision really came into fruition. The only thing we're missing is to add some sort of pendant light. Yeah, we're definitely never gonna turn these lights on right here. This is pretty much finished. What are you drinking?
This one. 196, right?
196?
196.
You know that's so strong, right?
This one?
Yeah, it's very strong.
Not too strong.
Okay. Baby, are you liking the new space?
Yeah.
It's good, right? Yeah. Now we're just gonna sit back, relax, watch some Physical Asia. I'm not gonna lie, I feel really discouraged. You know, when I first made the video of me touring a bunch of condos and me moving out, I mean, the majority of the comments were like pretty negative, as in like, oh, it's such a huge downgrade, or Paul, you must be struggling, or Paul, you're going downhill. You know, and it's as if some people were kind of like celebrating this idea that I'm struggling. But the thing is, I'm not struggling whatsoever. My net worth has gone up since I've moved into that condo. It's just the fact that it's quite a bit of money and it's far away from the places I frequent. And there's no loss of me having moved here, right? And I will still get my security deposit back, so there's no loss. Yeah, it just kind of really discouraged me seeing all these comments, thinking people I downgraded, you know? But in my opinion, I really think this is an upgrade, especially the lifestyle aspect. Being able to walk to the park is such a huge perk. Being able to walk to the mall, being able to walk to 100 different restaurants and a bunch of things to do, that is such a win, in my opinion.
I think so too.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What do you think so far about, like, you know, like I told you, I felt kind of bad reading all the comments. People talk about, like, you know, I'm downgrading, like our life is getting worse or something. What do you think, like, what do you think about the move?
I think this condo is not bad at all, you know. I mean, we already find the old condo because we want more space. So this one is like, yeah, we already have big space, we get it. And then this one is good area because we shoot this area because we feel like we hang out here a lot, so we should move here. And yeah, it's near parks, it's near malls. I think it's better than before.
Yeah. You know, many people said that you're like such a good girl though, because
Good girl.
yeah, you are a good girl. But they're like, wow, she doesn't care that you're moving into like a bad condo, or she's a real, like, she's loyal, you know, she's a good girl because she not complain about Paul live in such a bad condo or something, you know? Like,
I mean, I like the area, and then I think if not too bad, like something broken and we have to fix it a lot, or um, it's look too bad. It's like
too old.
oh yeah, I
Yeah,
was
yeah.
all like, but this one is feel like yeah, it can make it feel like homey, you know.
Yeah,
When we come here, it's feel like oh, it's a little bit old, but it's not too old like that. Yeah, it's better than many house in Thailand, I think. Yeah.
And it's funny too, because when we first toured this condo, I think me and you both were like, oh, it's kind of old, you know, like the wood walls and stuff. But now it's just, I mean, I think it's really looking good. It looks so homey, I think, right? Anything else you want to say? Huh. Okay, yeah, we're just gonna spend the rest of the night watching some Netflix on this huge ass TV. And yeah, guys, I mean, thank you guys for keeping along. This is only episode 3. Let's see how long this series is going to go. But every single day, I'm telling you, I'm putting effort into this condo. I'm thinking about this condo, thinking about interiors, scrolling on Pinterest. Yeah, just trying to make it homey. So, all right, today's about day 9. Let's work on the office now. So we have to remove these kind of hideous looking yellow curtains right here. So let's go and do that now. Alright, that is actually looking a lot better. Really, really nice. Just look how much better that looks. Man, it looks so elegant, so classic. White and green with that sunlight. It's coming together very, very well. This is what I got from IKEA. This was Stenfro. This was around like $15, I think. Did the job really well. I only had to buy 2 pairs of these. Man, that just looks so, it looks expensive. Man, that actually turned out super, super well.
Oh wow, it's good. Yeah.
It's look clean, right?
Yeah, look clean. It's better than that one.
Yeah. So this further proves that there was a little kid living in this room. Look at this. Got a drawing book. So if you saw my previous episode, I had thought that this house might be haunted because I saw a strange drawing. But no, a kid lived here. So I'm not sure what we're gonna do here, but there is potential here. All right, so now we gotta work on this office room. Now I'm still waiting on the rug, but I want to first work on this kind of acoustic panel section so that I use this for my sound recording, my audio recording, my narrations. So I'm thinking about just hiding this into the closet itself. I'm thinking to just move this inside of here. I think we're just gonna use this closet. So yeah, as you can see, I have like 50 of these panels. I'm gonna try to decorate it, see how this will look. All right, now this is an audio test. As you can see, it's already sounding a lot better. All right, now this should be the last piece. Now, as you can tell, this is very DIY. And honestly, I really enjoy doing this. I've never been a DIY kind of person, but it keeps the mind active, you know? It keeps the mind, it forces you to be a little creative. I don't know if you guys can hear this audio. 0 echo. Compare the sound here. I mean, this sounds like a studio. You know, I could have upgraded to a nicer condo, but honestly, for me to be actively like working towards this future of creating a beautiful home, it's just like a really fun project. And I really think that's like, this might sound super cheesy, but I think that's the whole purpose of life, is to always be actively engaged towards the progression of an ideal kind of future or an ideal vision. So when I moved into this condo, it's just like absolutely like there's so much that has to be done, and it wasn't ideal from the beginning. And then it's slowly becoming more and more ideal through progressive work. You know, I could have just gotten a nicer condo at a slightly further location or spent a slightly higher budget, but for me, this is an absolute win-win. And this is just like a project, you know, it's just like a fun project. And who's to say, you know, I'm not super attached to this place. I could easily move out anytime I want. That's just the nature with Bangkok condos. You can move out anytime you want. It's pretty easy. You can sublease it, you can get your security deposit back. But I don't know how long I'm gonna be here, but while I'm here, I'm gonna make it home. I'm gonna make it last. It's Popo's new bed.
Okay.
All right. Time to just enjoy the night. Enjoy our rents being paid. Watch Physical Asia. Let's go Thailand!
Yeah.
It's so funny. Lasami Kid actually follows me on Instagram. Weird flex, but yeah. So the living room is mostly finished. Now the next thing, of course, is this dining room area. I think the dining room table is not so bad. I think it's the dining chairs. It's going to take out these old chairs. So this is what the chair looks like. Honestly, it looks pretty chic. Pretty cozy. Wow. It looks much more like modern, yeah. So this is the before. So this is what we're working with right here. Honestly, I think it looks a lot better. And then eventually we're gonna have some sort of pendant lighting right here. So we just got some new packages. I got this on Facebook Marketplace. Not one, not two, but 3. So I got 3 of these. This was total 400 baht, which is pretty insane. Kind of like a mid-century modern yellow tone. But yeah, I think like, you know, when there's friends coming over, we just pull these out. You know, these are not really for display, but just more so when guests come over. But
And yes, we did finally throw our first party, just invited a bunch of close friends, and this just really sealed the deal that this is our home. Appreciate you for watching. Let me know what you think in the comments below. As always, follow me on Instagram, and if you're interested in becoming a digital nomad, check out the resources in the description, and I'll see you in the next video.